Hi everyone, my name is Nur Hazwani. I have this problem where my washing machine is not working and it shows an error. So the error is E2 and my washing machine is Electrolux. If you can see later, I will show you what was the model number. It's 7.5 kilogram. So whenever I press the power and start the washing machine, it shows E2 error. So turn on. You see there, it's at E2. So I go to Google and try to find what's the cause of the problem. Then I see that some people have already made videos on what the problem is all about. It's actually due to the water sensor error, and my husband actually have bought the sensor, so I'm going to change it today. So I have to change it by myself because we are actually in quarantine. So I have to change it by myself because my husband is actually COVID positive. So please pray for him and also one of our daughters, Aisha. And so we are in home quarantine, and yeah, it's very hard because if I don't have my washing machine, I have to wash it by myself. And you know, when we have when we are in quarantine, we have to wash many things. So basically, those who are affected by the virus, by the COVID-19 virus, we have to actually change your bed sheet every day and wash your clothes. So so it's quite hard for me. So that's why I will do this by myself. All right. So before we start to change any components, we have to ensure that the switch is off. So switch it off. This is the model of my washing machine, Electrolux EWT754XW. So there's actually cover of the components, and there's actually screw at the back. Yeah. There's a screw, so you have to open the screw. There's two screws. So when the screw is open, so you have to like pull this thing out, cover, and so what you can see here, this is the components that are in the cover. So you can see here, it's quite dirty here. And it's due to maybe dust and some of the rust here and there. Alright, so I guess the rust that you can see here, there's the rust at the screws. It may be due to the damp. Okay. Alright, so where is the water sensor? It's actually here. Yeah, this white color. So before that, before we start to change it, we actually have to actually ensure that this is pink color, white color, and this is blue color. So ensure the location. If you want, you can take picture. Alright. So when you buy this water sensor, it actually comes with a tube. So this tube needs to be connected to the back of the washing machine. So since I don't want to open the back of the or the cover of the washing machine because it's actually at the back. If you let me see, yeah, this one. This is the cover of the back. So since I don't want to open it, so I'm not going to use this tube. So I will open it and just change the sensor. Okay. Alright, so since we want to use this tube, no one want to change to the new tube. So you just open it, open the clip. There's a clip also, it have rust. Then just open it lah. Okay, so now we have to open this cable wire. Okay, the pink, white and blue. So before that, actually you have to take picture lah. Alright. Okay, just open it. So it's actually quite hard to open it. I don't know why. Let me try to use this. Hopefully it's not. Oh yeah. Now can open it. So you can see here, you can open it. So this is the old one that is, I guess, is not working. So like I said just now, the pink color is on the right and the blue color is on the left. Okay, this is pink, white, blue. Alright, so you have to press it so that you can put the new one. This is the new sensor. So this thing, you take the tube, you put it into this and you clip it. The clip is already rusting. Open the clip, you ensure that it is going into this hole. Sorry, into, yeah, it's quite hard there. Yeah, okay then, make sure it is clipped. So I put it back here. So let's try this. Let's try this. Alright. Alright. So next what you need to do is to ensure that water tap is open. And then you turn on. So if everything is okay now, so you can turn on the washing machine and start. So there's no E2 error. So let's say we try to start. We check whether the water is going into the washing machine or not. Because before this, when I start, it shows E2. And it doesn't even work, and it doesn't even, the water, it doesn't even go into the washing machine drum. Yeah, the water is going into, so that's a good sign. So I think that's it for me. So just turn it off. Alright. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. So pray for my husband and so one of my daughters who are COVID-19 positive. Me myself and one of our daughters are actually negative. So we are home quarantined, and those who are affected are staying at the level 1 of our house, and those who are negative are at the ground floor. So pray for us. Thank you.